Nyondo Media esinzira Dubai nebuna amawanga gonna gonna walai edukiridde bana Uganda batalina mwasirizi. Hey, Nyondo Media tuli wamu naawe, Nyondo Media tuli wamu naawe, Nyondo Media eri wamu naawe, Nyondo Media.
Sintumye mukolanga birungi. Yes. Engage for you.
Tuli Mount.
Mount,
Yes. This is my business partner. It's called Mr. Dominic.
Yes, Mr. Dominic.
Yes.
From
Nigeria.
Hey.
Yeah.
Does not speak Luganda.
No, he's a Nigerian but born in Barbados.
I'm John Katumba and former presidential candidate for Uganda. So I'm in Dubai meeting all Ugandans. Okay.
So
I see you looking at me as a young man.
but he's a well-recognized Nibo of Nigeria and Uganda.
Wow, that's good.
Peter Obi.
Peter Obi, yeah, he's young. This one is young. The name is old. You are a young president. You're welcome. You're welcome, My Excellency.
Yeah, so today, you know, these are my fellow youths, so I decided to come and meet all of them one by one. Wow. For the first time I'm here. Yeah. From here, I meet other student gents.
You're welcome. I believe that your stay here will be so.
Yeah, this is
Actually, once again, welcome back. This is one of our offices. We are based in here in Dubai. There is another branch in Nigeria.
Hey, you even have
there is another one in Uganda, which we are going to reopen because it was before they are open and
closed.
It is under renovation. So another one in Ghana. So that's how we make it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome once again.
Okay.
This is our base, working operation base.
Yeah.
We normally work on Ugandans who are based in Uganda and here as well, solving some problems regarding visa applications, ICA, and so many in that category.
Now, my first question, if I have Ugandans who really have overstayed, you work on them?
Actually, that is one of my expertise because I'm a public relations officer.
Hey, you're the
PRO.
Yes.
I'm enforcing visa laws.
Yes.
And trying to make out that some Ugandans who are illegal here, we try to enforce, whereby we give them opportunities in bringing those what we call special offers, like as we speak. There is what we call fine reduction offer, and as well on freelance visas there is. So for fine reduction out and as well, more money. We work on
abscond remover.
Yeah, abscond removal.
So yeah, actually, because I hear most of the Ugandan, first I will thank you, because when we are in our home, we think all Ugandans are in houses working as maids, as you know, cleaners, what and what. But I'm happy that at least I can see someone like you working in a big organization like this, and it is really working. However, I urge you to work for the community of Uganda and in Nigeria, because now you part with Nigeria, and really you are our ambassador here.
Actually, I want to thank Mrs. Rozet,
Nyondo.
Yeah, she did a good job whereby we enforced the embassy of Uganda to see that we can recover what we call fingerprints, which is one of the supporting documents, and we managed to enforce as well the ambassadors to meet with the UAE ministers.
Yes,
I was one of the Ugandans who got the chance to meet ambassadors so that we can be enforced.
Yeah.
To help Ugandans.
Even me, I meet them.
Yeah, to see that the UAE government can as well sympathize back to see that our freelance, our employment visas can be applicable as well.
Okay.
And we are glad that we reached on the achievement and it's done as well as we speak.
Wow, thank you very much. It has been a great honor me to come here in your office. However, I want us to keep in touch because I didn't ask about how long has this business in existence? That is the experience. I came basically because you were Ugandan doing business here, so you've been seeing me moving around all of them.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So as I'm concluding, I would like you to give the information to the community. You now have to use both language. Oyina okuyamba abana Uganda bonna bonna yonna gye bali nti bwe babeera balemereddwa bajje wano naddala abali mu overstay abantu kye basukkako. You have an offer for some few Ugandans who have been like in a frustration period. They don't have money at the moment, but they cannot afford a flight back home, you see, but they want that extension for a visa. Can someone bring his or her passport here? Then you give him a freelance visa. Then after them starting working, then you start deduct.
Before, as we can speak, or as I can speak,
yes,
we used to do that because the government was trying to make things easier for us as well as service providers. Me, according to what I can say, I can offer free service because this is a public relations officer. No one offers free when it's open. You understand, occupying this card. Everything is money, you know. But sometimes we give them free or low rate whereby they can access these services, however they are expensive. We sacrifice because as you can see around everything, we have to pay in bills and as well to make the establishment to be around stay stand for quite long to provide the service. So those who are there trying to or wanting to apply freelance visas, but you have a job whereby it's paying you and you are in overstay, there is what we call reduction of fines on offer on these applications of Abu Dhabi and Sharjah, whereby when the process is costing 3,000, here we are costing 1,250 because that is the offer we robbed from the immigration to give back to Ugandan community as well. Not only Ugandans, because my partner is a Nigerian, another one is in Ghana, you understand?
Yes,
and it's a wide establishment because I'm not alone as I speak of a Ugandan on behalf of Ugandans, but as African, or Pan-African.
As a Pan-Africanist.
Yes. I have to say at large, if you are there, you are a Ugandan, or you are a Nigerian, you are in overstay, please come along. We give you the reduction. All application under immigration in terms of ICA, ICP, those who know what I speak or what I'm talking about, they know.
Let me transfer it in our language. Buli ali eyo ng'oli mu overstay naye nga kikususseeko naye nga oyinamu ng'addira mu 1,200 you can
okusobola
okujja wano kampani gye bayita Best Ways Tourism ne bakusalirako then nolaba nga olimu okuva ku kizimbe ogwe. Bye bimu ku byandeese wano okulaba nga ebintu ng'ebyo mbikola then ndabe no benchmarking because I want what I see here to take it home. Yeah. There are so many things. I thank Nyondo. She has made me move around, and I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying, but really benchmarking because nothing much they sell here apart from sand, cement, and steel.
Yeah, sure.
Nothing else. They just modify them into buildings and what, but we also have the same stuff in our home. It is just us working together and complying with the situation, making better policies, and love one another because we are one, without tribalism and what, political affiliations and what, we are one. Yeah, thank you very much. It has been a humble pleasure meeting you, and let us keep in touch, sir.
I'm glad that it's such a pleasure and honor to host Ugandan presidential candidate of just previously.
Hey, even the next president.
Even the next candidate or incumbent.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I will cast my vote because I've seen you trying to reach the grounds whereby I was so surprised that some officials out there, we have to reach them first to know or to notify there is some problems on the ground. But you reached on the ground. So I'm happy for that.
Yes.
And I'm glad for that. Please continue and continue.
Yeah.
You will have my vote as well next year.
It's not about the vote. It's about
the
making
commitment of
Uganda better.
Yeah, sure.
The vote can be there, but the main point is making Uganda better and making Africa shine through Pan-Africanism.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Have a great day. Thank you. Thank you for the great honor. I hand over this book to you as a remembrance that I was in your office, and I want you to read it, to be inspired, to become the next great leader like me.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm glad and
And that is what I live whenever I go. Politics, no. Ennyo webalire ddala ndowooza tuddemu tusisinkane. Abakwagala bakusange ku Facebook.
Facebook is kusinga ku WhatsApp
kale bawe namba yo.
Enamba agisome 305
+9
+971 52 331 6764. All visa issues.
Kale tugenda buba tukuddamu neyongereyo okulaba abalala. Nazze kulaba buli Munnayuganda yenna oba naasobola naye njagezaako. Inshallah Mukama nkuuma.
Nyondo Media esinsira Dubai nebuna amawanga gonna walai edukiridde bannayuganda batalina mwasirizi. Hey! Nyondo Media tuli wamu naawe. Nyondo Media tuli wamu naawe. Nyondo Media eri wamu naawe.
Omuganda agamba okuddiza guba mwoyo ate era agamba etasiima ebula agiwa. So yensonga lwaki naffe tusiimye ne tusalawo ate okuddiza eri ba clients baffe aba Nyondo Glim mwe mwenna abatuwagidde ku products eza Nyondo Glim naddala ekizigo mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala era nga mbakakasa nti olunaku olwayo tusazeewo okubawa offer yonna gy'obeera oli nga wandiyeetaaza ate okubanga otambula. Twahaddewo entambula zaffe zino ziri bbiri era nga just providing akasente kamafuta kokka ne babeera nga ate bakusaabaza yonna gy'obeeyagadde okubanga ate otambula. Mpozi n'abasigadde mwenna abandyagadde okubanga ate mutambulako mu Emirates ez'enjawulo naawe oprovidingayo akasente akasaamusaamu. Tulina abagoba baffe babiri ate nga bali licensed era nga beegendereza nnyo ku nguudo babasaabaza bulungi nnyo. Okuleka mpozi naawe ng'olinayo obanga emikolo ng'egyo nga wandyagadde okubanga ate ofuna entambula tusobola okuzikuwa ne tuteesa n'obeera nga ate oggusa ekintu kyo obanga ne ba driver bamu beetaagiddemu nabo n'obeera nga ate okola nabo. Bannange tweyanze nnyo era nga tubasuubiza nti ngaffe aba Nyondo Glim era n'omwezi ogujja tugenda kwongerako ate entambula ey'okusatu kwegamba tubeere nga tugonza ku ntambula zammwe naye okusingira ddala abaana abatuwagidde ku Nyondo Glim mbakakasa nti just wandikako erinnya lyo oba oli Abu Dhabi oba oli Amluquin oba oli Sharjah oba oli Fujairah teekako erinnya lyo nti nze Nyondo Rozet Nyondo Glim. Buli mwana yenna eyatuwagiddeko nkuyina mu kitabo era driver wananzi ajja n'atuukirira nja kukeberamu oba nga ddala kituufu mwoli bajja kujja bakunu ne bakusaabaze yonna gy'oba oyagadde okubanga okola ki kwotambulira era nga twongera okubakowoola mwenna abahanda bakuwagira Nyondo Glam mujje mubeere nga ate mugula products ez'enjawulo. Tuyina emmere yonna okuva e Uganda, tuyina products zonna ez'abaami ez'omu buliri n'ez'abakyala okwetereeza era nga n'ekizigo kyaffe kirungi nnyo tetwerusa wabula nga gadde lightening tuteekako gw'onaagala okulabika obulungi okufaananako ngaffe oba n'okutusingako yita ku namba y'essimu 0524680778 ate obeere nga ofuna ekizigo olabike bulungi.
Banaye nange neeyongera okubeebaza mwebale tusupportinga banaye tuli basanyufu nnyo bagamba etasiima ebula akolaki agiwa ebintu by'entambula tubigonzezzaamu banaye Mukama batuweere omukisa gwe wenna akozesa Nyondo Glam tojjanga okwo.